Hey guys, welcome back to the Audio Wizard. My name is Chris Wilson, and as you may know, I was in Anaheim, California last week for the 2019 Namm show. I was lucky enough to get an interview with the CEO and founder of Lewitt microphones, Mr. Roman Perschon, to speak with him on the brand new microphones they just came out with at Namm called the LCT 040 Match, which is a perfectly matched pair of condensers, and the LCT 140 Air. Now please enjoy this video. Hi, Chris Wilson. Welcome to the Audio Wizard. We're here at the Lewitt booth talking about the new microphones from Lewitt. Here we have Roman to explain a little bit more about these new microphones from Lewitt.
Well, thank you for your time here at the Lewitt booth. Actually, we're very proud to introduce two new instrument condenser microphones. So it's LCT 040 Match and LCT 140 Air. And I'm going to start with LCT 040 Match. It is a very compact condenser microphone that delivers exceptional instrument recordings. We actually tailored the capsule of the LCT 040 Match so that it perfectly suits drums, acoustic instruments, and any other acoustic instruments actually. It is available as a single microphone, but also as an extremely well-matched stereo pair.
Beautiful, yes.
And that allows for absolute precise localization and an extraordinary room sound. LCT 040 Match is CNC'd from an aluminum housing, and therefore it is really lightweight, but also very durable. And it sells for $99 US for the single version.
Wow.
And $189 US for the stereo pair.
Beautiful, yes.
And with LCT 040 Match, you can always rely on that you get extraordinary refined instrument recordings, whether it be drums, acoustic guitar, or wind instruments. And the stereo pairs, they deliver an exceptional, consistent stereo image. And that is actually something that has never achieved before at this price point in this quality.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see that matched quality. It's you're right. I haven't seen many perfectly matched stereo pairs brought to the market, sold as such.
Yes, correct, and it's really extraordinary in this case because our LCT 040 Match is matched over the complete frequency response with a tolerance of 0.5 dB, plus minus 0.5 dB, and that is actually inaudible to the human ear.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Thank you. And what about the Air?
Yes, our second new microphone we introduced here at Namm for the first time is the LCT 140 Air. And it's an exceptional instrument microphone because it offers two switchable sound characteristics.
Okay.
The first sound characteristic we call Air, and it provides an open, airy, high-end sound. And the other one we call Flat, and provides a flat frequency response and therefore highly realistic audio images.
That's very impressive. How are you going about getting the difference in the characteristic?
Well, we tailored the capsule of the LCT 140 Air so that it has a lofty and sparkling high end, so there's a little bit of a boost in the higher frequencies. And when you switch to the flat setting, what it does is basically it flattens this more lofty high end, and you get a more linear and flat and highly realistic sound.
Got you. So in the boosted mode, that is the inherent capsule.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
These are gorgeous microphones. You said this is also CNC'd out of one piece?
Yes, correct. This is also a CNC'd aluminum housing, and therefore also lightweight and very durable. It also includes a low-cut switch as well as a pre-attenuation pad for distortion-free recording of high SPL instruments.
Okay.
So they're really tailored for any kind of acoustic instruments, and the beauty with LCT 140 Air is that you can actually capture your instrument the way you want, be it in a highly realistic manner or with an open, pleasant, high-end sparkle.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much for your time today, sir.
Oh, it's my pleasure.